Hi, I'm Miranda with Occupational Therapy, and this is Kelly. She's going to act as our patient today to demonstrate how you use adaptive equipment after surgery. So for occupational therapy, we usually come in to talk to you about how you're going to resume self-care during your recovery from a hip or knee surgery to get dressed without bending. So Callie's going to demonstrate how we're going to use a couple different pieces of equipment. So the first thing we're going to use is a dressing stick. This can be used for lots of different things for lower body dressing, including taking off socks or TED hose without bending. So we're going to have Callie go ahead and demonstrate that by using the hook to take off her sock. Alright, now if she can't pick up her sock because she can't bend, she can use a reacher to go ahead and get that off the floor. Perfect. Alright, so the next thing we're going to show is a sock aid. I'll take those back from you, Callie. Okay. Now, if you can't reach your feet to get your socks on, a sock aid is a great tool you can use to help you. So this is your backside, this is the top. You're just going to take your sock, stretch it over the sock aid, so your seam is all the way at the bottom. Alright, now Callie's just going to drop this down in front of her foot, put her foot inside, and pull up. Perfect. And that's how you use a sock aid. Now, in order to get pants on without bending over, we teach you how to use a reacher when you're here at the hospital. So what you're going to do is grab the waistband of your pants with the claw of the reacher, grab onto it, and use that to get dressed with the surgery side first. Okay. Whoops.
Thanks, cell phones.
And that happens when we see you in the hospital too, as your friends and family call and check on you. Alright. Okay, Callie. So she's going to dress her right side first. We're just going to say she had a knee replaced on the right side. She places her foot in there. And then she uses the reacher to place her other foot in as well. Very good. Okay, take the reacher. Now once you get it up to there, usually we have you get all your lower body dressing items on and then pull everything up at one time. At least that's how I usually do it. Alright, so the last thing we're going to show you is how to get your shoe on using a long-handled shoe horn, which looks just like this. So Callie has a shoe down here. Let me see. Alright, now what I usually recommend, so that you don't have to bend over, is taking the reacher to place your shoe where you need it to go. And then when you put your foot in, you're going to stick your shoe horn in the back to hold the heel open. Perfect. Now while you're in the hospital, we'll be visiting with you to kind of go over the adaptive equipment you need for when you return home, as well as durable medical equipment like a toilet riser or a shower chair, things that'll make it easier for you to access your home. We can also talk to you about how you can use a sock aid to don your TED hose, or help teach you how to use, have a caregiver help you. We look forward to seeing you to help you get dressed while you're here in the hospital. Thanks.